What's up guys, Jay Fisher here, and today I'm going to be talking about my homemade DIY fidget spinner. Works pretty good. And yeah, this actually does use a bearing, but you could practically make this for $1, rather than buying it and then for $1 and then paying for shipping. But yeah, so basically what this bearing is, I don't know the specific model type or whatever, but this is a yo-yo bearing. It went to this yo-yo right here. But basically what I did is I rolled up pieces of paper to make it until I could fit it in the middle. So that's like the cap for right now. And then basically what I did is then right here, I folded up a bunch of pieces of paper that looked like this, and they looked like this. So I just kept on folding them until they were like in squares. Then I basically just took out a huge hole that was the size of the bearing. So then it fits just like that. And then right then I just had like a square or a rectangle that just had a bearing in it. When I spinned it, it was pretty good for a spinner, but it didn't feel that right because it was just a cube or a rectangle with a bearing in the middle. So when you spinned it, it didn't really, like, it wasn't that fidget spinnery feel. But then I took it, I just kind of like did that with it. So then if I just want to like do that, I can just put my finger through it like that. Way easier, super fun, and it doesn't spin for that long, but other than that, really, if I got some counterweights down here, I'm pretty sure it would spin longer. And this actually took me like an hour, maybe 2 hours to make, and I never really thought of a bearing. I can't remember what the guy was, but he made like the world's smallest fidget spinner. Go check it out. That's where I got the inspiration for a yo-yo bearing, which I never even thought about that. But yeah, then just sparkle it up in my head. Thought I could use Legos, I could use this, I could use that, whatever. And then I made it. And I really wanted a fidget spinner for a very long time, but now I have one. Yay. So yeah, that's pretty much all for today's video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time. Oh yeah, and don't forget to stay tuned. I am going to be posting a geocache episode of me making one, and then making the place that I'm gonna hide it and where I placed it. And right now, right as I speak, on this, like right in this moment, the geocache is up, so you can be searching for it. It's not on the geocache app right now, but it's worth a try. But yeah, see you next time, and goodbye.